They look pretty good.
There you have it. Anybody ready? Little Hawaiian vibe going here. Got my shish kebab. Got my linguiça, which is a Portuguese sausage. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I have some pineapple. I already started the chicken because time's money. So let me just trim it up some more. We want to get some nice lumps here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cook these on the griddle outside. We're going to season them with sweet money. Now, the chicken hasn't been cooked. The sausage is pre-cooked, and the pineapple is cooked in the field. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we get the sweet money and sweet money hot to give it, God, just an all-around great, sweet, savory with a little finish. But first, let's load up some kebabs. Okay, chicken, linguiça, which is a Portuguese sausage, but it's also used a lot in Hawaii when you go as a very similar version. Pineapple, chicken, sausage, pineapple, chicken. See if you can keep up with me here. Just a couple more here. Sausage and pineapple. Got one there. I'm going to do one more here really quickly. Then we'll season it up and we'll go out to the griddle. We're going to serve this on a bed of white rice. See, so simple. These little shish kebabs are just easy. And they're really got a lot of flavor. They're really good. I think you're going to like it. Let's give them the love they deserve. Now, we're going to cook them on the griddle, like I said. We're going to get them just beautiful. We're going to put a little cover on them to use those covers as an oven. Maybe even spritz a little water on there to get some steam to help cook them. But now let's put a little sweet money. Hit it with some sweet money hot just to give it some kick that's going to work great with the pineapple. Flip them over. Now you guys know I'm a Trader Joe's fan, so the sauce we're going to use is Trader Joe's Teriyaki. I'm going to put that when it's about 80% done because the sugar in the sauce, as you've heard a million times, burn. Now, if I put it on from the beginning, it would burn before the chicken's cooked. But right before it pulls off, I'm going to start basting with the sauce, and I'm going to encourage just a little caramelization, which is a trendy word for a slight burn. So I'll see you out there, and we'll have some fun. Here comes chicken. Sweet money chicken. Pineapple. And linguiça. Now watch this little trick. A little water. Because I'm going to steam it. All right, we don't have to worry about anything for a while. I'm going to come back at you in about 5 minutes and flip them over. At that point, I'm also going to use my thermopin to check temp. So this is all we do. Okay. Pull the warming boxes off. Let's see if I got a good little burn here. Oh yeah. Don't panic. Now what this is, the pineapple's burned a little bit, that's fine. And the pineapple juice okay. Put it on the other side if we can. Here, let it rest on it. Do a little sampling of this. We're close. That's almost done. Here comes some fun. We don't want it burning on the griddle any more than we have to. One more little roast here. Now if you notice, and I've told you this guys a whole bunch of times, this has not been near raw meat. I poured it on the cooked meat, but whenever you're using a marinade or a sauce, and you're going to use some to marinate the stuff and some to finish it, make sure you split it and keep the stuff you're going to finish with it separate. I want to get about 165 on this chicken, and we're close. Just a couple more minutes. Hey Siri, 5-minute timer. Now look, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick these up, even though I'm going to make another mess shortly. I'm going to do a quick griddle scraping. That's all the teriyaki sauce that's burned on it. Just a little light cooking oil. Okay, we're getting close. Like I said, almost there. I think we're there, James.
Yeah, they look pretty good.
Move this over again. Second clean up. Now what is he doing? Has he lost his mind? No. No, I haven't lost my mind. Just 1 minute of last minute roasting. I think we're done.
They smell delicious.
Makes me very happy. Let's go inside and finish plating it. Okay, here comes our pineapple, linguiça, and chicken dish. Do kind of something fun here. There you have it. Anybody ready?